Are you tired of pulling your hair out trying to handle customer queries on your website? Is your team drowning in a sea of never-ending messages? Well, fear not, because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Chadbot, Instant Chatbot, the AI chatbot that will revolutionize the way you handle customer interactions. It's like having a superhero sidekick for your website.
Oh no, another customer message.
Fear not, dear human. I am here to save the day. Let me handle this. Hey there, how can I assist you today?
Wow, this bot is fast.
And it actually understands what I'm asking?
With Chadbot, you can say goodbye to the endless back and forth and hello to streamlined customer support. Our AI chatbot has been proven to boost customer satisfaction and increase conversions. It's like having a 24/7 customer support team without the need for extra employees. Chadbot seamlessly integrates with your Wix website, making it easy to set up and customize.
This is incredible. We can finally focus on other important tasks.
Indeed, my human friend. I'll handle the repetitive questions while you conquer the world.
No coding skills required. Choose from different personalities, including friendly, funny, empathetic, and professional. Plus, it's compatible with any industry or business type. Whether you're a small boutique or a multinational corporation, Chadbot has got your back. Don't let customer queries bring you down. Elevate your website with Chadbot and watch your business soar to new heights. Get started today and make your life easier, because life's too short for endless customer messages.